Danke bafethu, welcome to Nkuli Soccer. Kune-growing concern bafethu ethi Kaizer Chiefs baqamba amanga about ama-players amanye ukuthi abe injured. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngama-player awu-3 because ngibheke i-statement sabo, uMaboy, uShinga, u-Ighodaro. Nasi i-statement se-Kaizer Chiefs, akusiyo amagama ami lawa bafethu, and then ngizosho something la. So bathi-ke despite ama-setbacks kune-silver lightning. Bathi-ke i-squad they are seeing i-wave of ama-player recover-rayo kahle and angakwazi ukuboosta i-team kulama-game lawa azayo. Bathi uMaboy, u-Ighodaro, uShinga bathi ba-close to i-full match fitness, aba-ofara i-coaching staff welcome selection. So nayo-ke into engifuna ukuyibuza-ke mina, uMaboy futhi angiyibuzi ngiyayisho, ngeyi-2 September besise-Springs, uMaboy that time ngeyi-2 September washo straight ukuthi yena u-ready ukudlala. Ngayizwa ngey'ndlebe zami, angiyizwanga ngomunye umuntu, u-ready ukudlala. I remember wathi nawa amagama ka-straight wathini konje, wathi whenever he's called wathi uyawazi umzimba wakhe, whenever he's called angakwazi ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi uzoba ready soon. So ngicabanga ukuthi ngeyi-2 September, 2 September bafethu, until namhlanje lowo muntu loyo akakabi i-match fitness yakhe akakafiki at the peak, akakabi right, kusashoda. Ngeyi-2 September, more than how many weeks? 7 weeks or silanda u-8 weeks manje lo muntu lo waba-available for i-Kaizer Chiefs. And manje uLebohang Maboy udlala wonke ama-friendlies masobona, badlale ne-Young Africans yaseValley behind closed doors laphana eNaturena bekhona. Manje ey'nsukwini more than a week ago bebadlala neGomora United bekhona. Badlala nenye i-team esingayikhohlwa ukuthi yini because badlala ama-friendlies amaningi laphana behind closed doors. Bekhona, is forever present uLebohang Maboy. Ushinga naye same thing, lento le ngishilo ku-previous clip. Are they playing games, mind games ngamanye ama-player? Because I'm asking this because kune-public outcry, abantu bathi abanika ama-players amasha i-opportunity because lawa akudala awenzeli lutho i-Kaizer Chiefs, abantu bayakhala. So i-Kaizer Chiefs being brand friendly, abafuni obvious ukupainta isithombe esibi. Bakhipha i-statement sama-player ukuthi kanje nakanje nakanje. Why-ke if ama-player injured lawa amanye, why bangasho ukuthi uMako inkinga yakhe lena le kuzothatha isikhathi esingaka, uMunyane maybe phela bakhona ba-injured aba-serious siyazi, uMsimango noDodi siyazi ukuthi ba-injured, but ekaDodi engiyibona ekaMsimango, uMsimango uyabuya ejimini aphinde anyamalala. I don't know what's really happening ngoMsimango because ngambona 2 times ejimini ku-Kaizer Chiefs ejima ne-team wanyamalala waphinde wabuya futhi, kusho ukuthi i-injury yakhe iyemhluphayo. But laba abanye bayajima ne-team kahle nje. uCheslett angimazi ukuthi ulimale nini kumfowethu because last week ngimbonile, but lento le ikhosa ukuthi kungabi ne-trust between i-Kaizer Chiefs nama-fans. Cause I mean moyibheka kahle le, njengoba ngenza example ngoLebohang Maboy ukuthi uLebohang Maboy ngifast into yakhe from ngeyi-2 September to manje akakabi fit. Ighodaro niyazi ukuthi bafethu kajima isikhathi esingakanani ku-Kaizer Chiefs, so kabuyile kwi-injury. I think silanda 4 weeks manje ejim, bathi akakabi ready. Kanti umuntu uba ready kanini? Uvele ngishilo, yazi lento ngiyishilo kodwa ngathi uvele bayi uzodlala kuqala more than ama-player amaningi lapha because uvele baye bayamthemba, and then uthembwa ama-coach we-Kaizer Chiefs. uCedric wakhuluma ngaye ku-conference. I wish abantu abaningi bangaba ne-access or babheke ukuthi ama-conference lawa wama-journalist. So i-match iyaphela ne, mayiphela i-match ba-interview e-TV, but after i-game khona la kuhlalwa khona nama-journalist, izinto zakhona zikho e-TV aba-broadcast, kula ekubuzwa khona-ke ama-question kama-coach we-Kaizer Chiefs desene-opposition team. Guess what? Ama-journalist ake ambuza uCedric we-Kaizer Chiefs, ambuza noBen we-Kaizer Chiefs because even ama-journalist ayabheka online ukuthi abantu bathini, and then when they engage nama-coaches we-Kaizer Chiefs ahlezi ebuza ukuthi Cheslett noShinga kwenzakalani ngabo. Nawa amagama kaCedric lawa straight, wathi balinde isikhathi esi-right sokuthi baba-introduce. Ayikho ba-right ukuthi bangadlala, but balinde isikhathi esi-right ukuthi bangaba-introduce. Okuchaza ukuthi dala bekhona oShinga noCheslett be-available, but-ke manje maybe bazofihla based ukuthi maybe ba-injured abadlali. Hhayi bafethu angeke ayikho phela le, cause I think and ama-journalists aqala ukubuza ngoShinga noCheslett more than a month ago bafethu, if I remember very well, more than a month ago ukuthi hayibo ama-new signings wakho laba we haven't seen them at all. Waphendula ku-Cedric wathi thina as i-Kaizer Chiefs management sibheke isikhathi esi-perfect sokuthi siba-introduce. So sozithemba kanjani-ke bafethu uma bethi bona ulubani uMaboy methi yena u-ready ukurepresent i-Kaizer Chiefs anytime. Uyisho lento le namanje like 3 days back, 1, 2, 3 days back mabalende khona ukuthi u-ready ukudlala whenever is called. Bona bakhipha i-statement bathi useduze ukuthi a-recover. And at the same time there's no way bafethu ukuthi i-team i-travel-a isikhathi eside kangaka nomuntu olimele or ongakabi right. Why ngisho so bafethu? Because ilokhu njana i-match fitness yakhe or if ilimele umuntu uthintekile angaba disturb by i-jet lag ye-flight ukuthi uflaye kakhulu. Imagine if ulimele idolo usazohlala emaflightini lesebo ma-6 hours or ma-5 hours, akusiyinto e-right leyo. Uzoya futhi kwi-environment space, ku-different weather, awaka-recover, i-injury yakhe ingaqalela phansi. So they won't risk that. Kuyasho ukuthi abadlali abanye bakhona but they've decided, obviously they engage nama-coaches, ama-coach asho ukuthi usibanibani angeke adlale anytime soon but asimfake ku-injury list. I-statement sabo ngifuna nje ukusifunda sonke bafethu ukuthi batheni ukuze abanye abantu bangasho ukuthi ngizishela iy'nto zami. But nasi i-statement sabo overall sithi i-Kaizer Chiefs ibuyile eSouth Africa Sunday afternoon following an intense 3-day international outing laphana e-DRC noma ngithi Democratic Republic of Congo. Bathi badlale laphana neSimba ku-first leg of i-Total Engines CAF Confederations Cup second round prelim round laphana phase. I-clash ibe yi-Saturday afternoon laphana e-TP Mazembe Stadium. Kuthiwa-ke bayaqhubeka bathi i-return leg-ke is scheduled for this upcoming Sunday on home soil. And then-ke bathi before the Continental Showdown, Amakhosi will shift focus back to domestic duties as they resume their Betway Premiership campaign. The team is set to take on Swelele FC in the midweek fixture at FNB on Wednesday evening. On the log, Chiefs have collected 15 points in their 8 matches and fourth in the table. Swelele have 7 points in the bag after 9 matches and are in 14th position in the standings. Nayo into ebalulekile. The medical team are currently managing a growing injury list with George McClough, Ethan Cheslett, Paseka Mako, Ubuntle Molefe. Ubuntle Molefe, by the way, abangamazi ugoalkeeper number 4. And then bathi uMsimango, bathi uDodli, bathi bonke-ke bakuma-sideline. Bathi-ke ulokhu njana uMsimango noDodli bona bobawu-2 particularly, bathi they've been out for extended periods, posing a selection challenge for a technical team. Despite these setbacks, there's a silver lightning. The squad is seeing a wave of recoveries. Ama-recoveries angakwazi ukuboosta noma ukusiza i-team. Then bayaqhubeka-ke babala-ke bathi sobabona in the upcoming games uMaboy, Igataro, uShinga, or noma kungenzeka sibabone for coach obvious bazoba selector because ba close to full match fitness. Bathi-ke iSwelele ngeke basithathe kancane because laphana kuSwelele khona ama-familiar faces to Amakhosi players. Kuthiwa-ke even fans alike in their team. Okay. Wait, let me read the statement again. Swelele will not be taken lightly as they are familiar faces to Amakhosi players and fans alike in their team. The side features former Kaizer Chiefs forward Tebogo Potsane, Christian Sail, along with Lonis Samgelo Zwane and Happy Mashian, who bring recent insider knowledge of Amakhosi setup. The Kaizer Chiefs coaching team anticipates a competitive encounter and are preparing accordingly. Amakhosi then bazivala ukuthi Amakhosi supporters can secure their seats for just 60 rands. Tickets available at www.opentickets.co.za and kaiserchiefs.com. In store at Shoprite Checkers, Usafe Supermarket, With the Continental ambitions, domestic pride on the line this week, Wednesday Betway Premiership clash promises to be an exciting encounter. Kickoff is scheduled for 7:30 at FNB. Statement se-Kaizer Chiefs leso uzoyibamba la bantu bazozijajela ukuthi-ke bayayithemba i-Kaizer Chiefs or abayithembi. Danko bafowethu, cela ningakhohlwa bafethu subscribe-ani over 100,000 yabantu ababukela njalo, but you guys don't subscribe. Pressani u-subscribe button. U-subscribe button uzosiza ukuthi i-page likhule, ukuthi ngifocuse kule page kuphela, ngiyekele zonke lezi zinto engizenzayo bafowethu. Danko.